A new pair of noise-isolating earphones has been launched by Brainwavz this week in the form of the Brainwavz S0 IEM, which are now available to purchase priced under $50. Brainwavz now offers a range of over 25 different earphones and headphones together with accessories, and their latest edition are equipped with dynamic 9mm drivers. Features include rated impedance, 16 ohms, frequency range, 18 Hz 18 kHz, sensitivity, 100 dB at 1 MW, rated input power, 10 MW, and the cables come supplied with a 1.2 my cord, copper, and equipped with a gold-plated 3.5mm connection. The S0 earphones also come with Comply S400 premium foam ear tips for perfect seals and enhanced bass. The Brainwavz S0 IEM noise-isolating earphones are supplied with a Clearwavz remote and microphone. The Clearwavz Mic/remote uses a high-precision MEMS, microelectrical mechanical system, silicon microphone, coupled with a 3-button control, making it easy for users to make calls and controlled media playback. The Brainwavz S0 earphones have been designed to provide a balanced sound signature, with each part of the sound spectrum represented being both accurate and clear. The all-metal housing and flat, tangle-free cabling provides a sleek look, feel and long-lasting durability, with no fear of tangling in a bag either. The S0s will work with any genre of music and are sure to keep anyone happy, whether they're listening to pop, classical, hip-hop or rock.